Orleans is a celebration, the celebration of life. And that is through our food, music, art, and through the expression of who we are. Welcome to New Orleans. I grew up in the lower Ninth Ward. These people were full of life, full of culture, and the balance of it all was music and food. Every day, no matter how hard your day was, no matter how hard school was, you look forward to grandma's shrimp milliton or crawfish fingers, and there was always music involved with that. My upbringing was gospel, jazz, and high energy, the funk, the spirit of New Orleans. So of course, I was a musician when I grew up. I wanted to be like everyone else I knew. We have so many genres of influence, and there is this element of movement, of dance. You're always gonna end up tapping your feet somehow, some way. I wanna put on my boogie shoes to be with you. I think that's good.
Yeah, I like it.
Daryl is definitely the spirit of New Orleans. Okay, so what we do first?
We're gonna kick him and then turn him.
He has this infectious, loving energy that just makes you want to dance.
So what we doing here is some New Orleans dance. Now hands up, turn. Everything. Now sassy move.
Uh-oh. People come to New Orleans and they fall in love because New Orleans has this warm feeling that makes everyone feel like you're different, but you're okay.
I love it.
See, that's the sweet thing about New Orleans.
Because it's so inviting, Daryl.
Right.
Come dance with us.
That's
Come
right.
celebrate with us. Is Miss Linda in?
Yeah, she is.
Miss Linda is this warmth that you get from a grandmother. This woman wants to feed you, and it's that genuine New Orleans hospitality and love.
See you and your bum and presents.
Yes, yes.
The yakamine is definitely a New Orleans traditional dish, and Miss Linda is the yakamine queen. So, Miss Linda, you are a New Orleans icon. Yakamine, break it down to me.
Yeah, well-
but don't give me the secret, but...
Oh, no, I'd have to kill you if I give you the secret.
Don't give me the secret.
Well, I started with my grandmother, and I have been trying to keep this yakami recipe for my children for years. Keep it under wraps tight because I'm the only one really with the old school flavor. That juice, okay?
Which is the best
yeah.
part. Miss Linda, I could eat this all day. What you cook feels like home.
It's in our culture. The people here, they help me, and this is my opportunity to help take care of them too. And I love that part.
From music to food to culture, New Orleans is accepting people from different places of the world because it's just full of love, but also it's full of color. Mardi Gras Indians are definitely a prize of our culture. It is a part of the parades when all of these tribes come together.
My grandfather is the big chief of our tribe. I've been masking Indian since I was 2 years old, and that's our family trait. It takes us all year to sew.
So you personally sew your whole suit?
Yeah, everyone,
Wow.
especially in our family, is traditional. Really no feeling, I tell everyone, there's no feeling that explains the culture when you put on your suit. When I put it on, it's more of a spiritual connection, it's a feeling as I'm talking about, the chills coming through my body.
You're giving me
because
chills.
That's my culture, that's what I do.
Yeah. Why do you love New Orleans so much?
The atmosphere, it gives you things to do, the second line is on Sundays. The second line is celebration. Celebrate and have fun and enjoy yourself every Sunday. You have them uptown and downtown.
I feel like that always reiterates the culture of New Orleans. It is the celebration of life. It is our heritage. I think you're doing something very special, and I'm excited to continue to see you just blossom.
Thank you.
I gotta give you a hug now.
Girl, to be with you is my favorite thing.
As a musician, as an artist, poet, we have a duty to be the storytellers of our generation. The sound of New Orleans is a beautiful story. Even through sorrow comes beauty. Even through pain comes joy. the resilience of what this city always shows is no matter how hard something gets, we're always gonna rise above and we're gonna have a party while we do it.
I wanna put on